Start today class. We learn alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for catch. G for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for spoon. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.